blue line is, as you can assume, this is marking. So now we are being what are the. So I'm quickly going through this or watch our previous video in which we have the artery. So the manipulation may be difficult, and I'm doing it alone, so they're able to do it with little bit of more ease. So trick is that we don't tie the corner suture, basically proximal or afferent loop and inside out on the. So here, just to save the suture, I am taking it. Otherwise, it has always to be a double arm suture. We will tie the. So this will be the basically this is a demo video. In real life, you will take compromise. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. I hope